Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own custom t-shirt art design. It's an incredibly fun and creative way to kind of brighten up your closet and at the same time express your creativity. And I'm excited to share this process with you today. Also, yes, I'm wearing glasses on top of my glasses. I'm blind and I want to be fashionable. Hopefully it looks sort of good. Plus I only do it indoors and for this because I can. Anyways, let's get into it. First, sketch your design. The first step in creating your own shirt art is to sketch out your design. I'm just using A4 printer paper, which I'm going to scan in later. This sketch can basically be anything you want. A quote, a picture, a pattern, a creature, something from your favorite show, your own art, or even just a bunch of cool shapes. I've decided to sketch a lucky toad creature, which gives whoever wears the shirt lots of luck and good vibes. I'll be using some wacky colorful colors later and adjust the art where needed in Photoshop. Once you have your idea sketched out, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Digitize your design. Now that you have your design sketched out, it's time to scan it in and bring it into the digital world. Using a program like Photoshop or Procreate, you can create your design in any shape or color that you want and much more. Make sure to set the DPI to at least 300 for the best printer quality. I'll be using a drawing tablet today to really get the line art nice and smooth looking. First, I create a line art layer. After I'm done with the line art, I'll create another layer underneath to add color. Here's a little time lapse of me working on my toad creature that I'm slowly bringing to life. Everywhere they go, they give out chill vibes and good luck. They look a little bit grumpy, but trust me, they have a lot of love. I've had a lot of fun creating this and can't wait to see what it will look like once it's transferred onto the shirt. When creating your own shirt design, the most important thing of all is to have fun while making it. So kinda go all out and see what you can create. Step 3. Print your design. Once your design is complete, it's time to print it out onto the transfer paper. This is a special type of paper that allows you to transfer your design onto a shirt and many more things. Make sure you check your printer model first to see if it allows you to print this type of paper and load the paper in. I'm using Epson Iron-On Cool Peel transfer paper. You can only use this type of paper for Epson printers, but you can always check what your brand of printer can print and see if they sell their own version. Most inkjet printers can print this type of paper. Follow the instruction manual and print out your design. Make sure to flip your work horizontally. I accidentally forgot to and now can't add my logo as it'll be unreadable sadly, so don't do what I did. Be careful not to touch the ink immediately after printing as it will still be wet and need to dry. Transfer your design within 24 hours of printing for best results. Step 4. Transfer your design. Now that your design is printed onto the transfer paper, it's time to trim it before transferring it onto the shirt. Trim around the edges and leave a bit of white if possible. I'm using nail clippers today because I cannot find any other scissors in my entire apartment, so I gotta do with what I got. For the shirt material, it's best to use at least 50% cotton shirts and light pastel colors for best results. Now, grab your iron and heat it to about 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Get your shirt ready by putting a sheet of baking paper on top of the shirt and in it to protect the shirt and the design. Then, grab your heated iron and push it down with some pressure for a couple of minutes onto the design. Make sure you cover every part of the design to transfer it properly. Don't put the iron on too long or press too hard, as it will melt the art and ruin your shirt. Once you are done with this step, let the design cool down for a couple of minutes. Afterwards, you can peel off the top layer, which is super satisfying, and see your end results. And that's it. Step 5. Admire your finished shirt. You've now successfully created your own custom shirt art design. It's a really fun and easy way to express yourself in wacky and cool, interesting ways. Now you can show off your unique style, fashion, and creativity to the world and keep expressing yourself in new, funky, amazing ways. You can even end up selling your own merchandise with this stuff. Print out a couple of designs, buy a bundle of cheap shirts, and then take it to a fair to sell it, or even sell it in your own store. I had a lot of fun creating this little frog creature, and also this entire process. I'm definitely going to try to experiment more with maybe trying to fill a whole shirt with my art or with my fishes. And I hope you're going to experiment as well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create your own art shirt design. Now, if you want to know how I created these pants, I'll be posting a video about this amazing art fashion collab in the future. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more art tutorials and more art shenanigans. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay hydrated, stay creative, and keep creating. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.